What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be drawing some simple boxes with flaps. There's many objects in the world that are box shaped, so it's important to understand how to draw them. For my reference, I folded this little box from a sheet of paper using my origami skills. Sometimes it's best to create your own references when possible. Now I can easily draw and observe this box from any angle I want. I start this first sketch by drawing the top edges of the box. Since I'm drawing this box without perspective, I make sure to draw each opposing side parallel to the other. The left side is parallel to the right, and the top is parallel to the bottom. I then draw the interior of the box, starting with the corner going downwards. I extend a vertical line down from each corner of the initial square shape. Next, I use parallel lines again and connect the bottom of each vertical line. This creates the illusion of a simple box. But today I was feeling ambitious, so I added flaps to this simple box. Once again, the focus is on parallel lines. All of these flaps are pointing downwards at an angle from the top of the box. For my second sketch, I start out by drawing the front side of the box first. Notice for the top of the box, I use perspective this time because the right and left sides are not parallel. They are slightly angled towards each other at the back of the box. I draw the interior using two simple vertical lines and also add the flaps again. Take note of the slight perspective applied to the front and back flaps as well. I finished this sketch by adding a little shadow for fun. My last sketch is the same box again, but drawn at a weird angle. I start this sketch the same as the first one, by drawing the top edges of the box. I then draw a line for the interior edge from the corner. And once again, I extend the lines down from the remaining corners and create a 3D box. Even though it's the same box, this one was a bit more challenging. These kinds of angles can be more challenging because there isn't any truly vertical or horizontal lines. I still have to make sure to keep certain lines parallel though to create the box. Next, I draw the flaps and eventually shade the outside of the box for fun. Notice that in all these sketches, I made the flaps pointing slightly downwards. This is because I was drawing what I saw in front of me on the actual box. But I want to show you how you can easily change the angle of the flaps to anything you want. The box flaps are just simple rectangles. Looking at a box from the side view, I can draw the flaps by just using a simple line. By changing the angle of this line, I can change the angle of the flap too. For the front flap, I can just move the outer edge of the flap up or down, either above the top edge of the box or below it. This will change its position in space. If I look at this from a 3D perspective, the same rules apply. I can change the angle of this flap just by changing the angle of the line extending out from the corner of the box. As long as I make sure to keep the lines parallel, I can make the flap any angle I want. I recommend finding a box and observing this idea for yourself. It's always best to draw from life when possible. Anyway, that's about it for this drawing. If you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Peace.